video is on how you guys can log in into ADP. So for those people who do not know ADP Payroll, basically it's like an American company where it manages your human resource by using its software. All right. So that's the basic definition of it. If you guys want to know more about it, there's a whole Wikipedia on it. You can go and check it out. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine or your search browser and search for ADP Payroll login. After you search for ADP Payroll login, it's going to show you this thing, and on over here you want to go where it says logins over here. You want to click on logins and it's going to take you to adp.com. Once you're over here, there's all this thing. Now from over here, you need to know which account you have. If you have like an employee account, you can select from these over here. If you have an administrator account, you need to choose from this over here. And if you have an accountant's account, you need to choose from this over here. If you're a financial advisor, then you need to choose from this over here. This is all the accounts which you can create of your ADP. So you need to understand like which ADP account you have to log in. So let's say for an example, I'm an administrator and I have like run payroll account. So to log in into my run payroll, I can click on it and it's going to show me this thing over here. Administrator login, and from over here I need to choose my. All right, so let's say I need to go to run powered by ADP, so I can click on administrator login over here and it's going to take me. Now the basic thing is you need to know which account you have, so you guys can select from these all options so you guys can log in into your account. Once you choose which login you have, it's going to take you to your login page, and once you're over here you need to enter your user ID and your password. After entering that, you need to click on sign in and you should be able to sign in into your ADP Payroll account. And for some reason you guys were not able to, then basically your user ID or your password is incorrect. So make sure to double check if they're incorrect or not, and make sure to make them correct and click on sign in to sign in again. And if you forgot your user ID or your password, there's option for them over here. You can click on them and recover your account as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into ADP Payroll. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.